Hi guys, so for this video I'm challenged by Foxy to use only 3 ride or die products and create a look with them. Something like these 3 I can easily create a look, and obviously it is not going to be a high on glam look but a very decent day-to-day look. So let's get started. So the first product is this very amazing face mask from this brand called Tjori, and this is their D10 wild turmeric face and body pack. So what that will do is when I will apply this on my face, it will brighten my face. So one job is done. So I'll just take a little bit of it in this ball. So this much will be enough for my face, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of rose water and make a paste out of it. So the paste is ready and it's time to apply it on my face. So you guys can see that after I wash my face instantly looks so glowy and radiant. So we don't need to do much. Now I have this product. This is the Lakme 925cc care cream. That is the complexion care cream. So this will further enhance my complexion. And the best part is this is SPF 30 PA++. So that means you don't even have to use a separate SPF for it. So I'll just take a small quantity of this and apply it all around my face. So you absolutely do not need to use any sort of brushes or anything for this. For college going girls, this is the quickest thing that you can do. So that's it. You can see again it made the skin look really radiant and glowy, but yet very simple. If you want a bit more coverage, you can take it under your eyes. I'll just show you how to do that. And if this product is essential to you, you can buy it in different sizes and you can keep the smaller one in your handbag. I love that it does not make the face ashy or anything like that. The complexion is done. So now we are going to add some color to the face. So for that I'm going to take this Maybelline Powder Matte Lipstick in the shade Almond Pink. This is one of my most favorite lipsticks. I'll show you how to use this in different ways. So just take a little bit on the back of your hand. Not much, a bit. And you can see how pretty the shade is. Use your fingers. Pick up a little bit of product and just smile and dab. Do the same on both the sides. Again, very natural, and it's a great hack. I always do this. So now your cheeks are naturally flushed. They are not overpowering or they do not look fake at all. So you can use a little bit of this on top of your eyes also. It gives a very pretty look right on the crease. Just stamp the shade, blend it with different finger. It will just give a very pretty definition. This is like literally getting ready on the go. And obviously for the lips. So yeah, here you are, completely ready for your work or college or any daytime outing that you want with only 3 products, and also 1 is skincare. Do not forget that, because that is very important. So it's very easy, pocket friendly and skin friendly too. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked this small little hack video, and see you guys next time. Bye.